Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to share my step-by-step guide on how to use Scalable Capital. Use the first link in the description below to sign up with Scalable Capital, and there's usually some sort of promotion running. I'll give the details within the description if there is something running. The sign-up process is quite simple. It's very intuitive and all of the details are given on the left or right hand side, so you can easily sign up with Scalable Capital. Once you are finished with the registration process, then you'll have to verify your identity. The identity verification process can be done completely online. All you have to do is download the Post Ident app and using your ID document, verify your identity. If somehow your ID document is not accepted, you can take your ID document and the details that Scalable Capital send you via email to the nearest post office where the people at the post office can verify your identity. So once you sign up, you'll have a screen similar to this one. Obviously, you won't have any funds, but once you add any funds, you'll have a similar option that is given here. Top left hand side, we have the total valuation. This valuation includes the total amount that we have invested and any profits or losses that we have incurred. On the right hand side, we have the total performance. Once we click here, you can see the absolute value of our portfolio. We can select yearly, monthly, quarterly, and the total amount of this portfolio. Below that, we can select in the relative amount in terms of year since purchase, today, and weekly or monthly. After that, we have the cash available. Here you can see that I have 100 euros cash available. This 100 euros is going to be used in a savings plan, which I will discuss later on in this video. Then I have the amount that is available for withdrawal. So I have 100 euros and 3 cents. 100 euros is pending for a savings plan and the 3 cents are available for withdrawal. So theoretically, I can only withdraw 3 cents in this account. If I want to withdraw this 10,000 euros, what I have to do is sell all of my positions or a selected position, and then this amount will be available for me to withdraw. On the bottom hand side, we have 4 options of broker, find, wealth, and profile. So once you open up your account with Scalable Capital, first thing would be to go to the profile section, scroll down and set up the tax information. Here you can set up an exemption order. This is a tax-free amount that you can get. So if you are a single person, you'll have 1000 euros tax-free profit from the government. Any profit or interest that you get using the Scalable Capital app, you can easily have it without paying any taxes up to a yearly limit of 1000 euros. And if you are married or a partnered couple, then you can have exemption order of 2000 euros. To set it up, simply follow the steps that are mentioned and provide the details based on that. If you go back to the profile section, we have mailbox, private information, tax information, product information, and you can change your PIN or add or remove any two-factor authentication. Then let's go back to the find option. Here we have the option of buying our ETFs and our stocks. We can explore different types of topics, for example, bonds, popular savings plans, mostly traded, most watched, and newly listed. So let's go back and select on popular. Here we can see the different types of ETFs that are available, then the popular stocks. We can also sort them using performance or alphabetically. Let's go back and see the different options available. So we can select based on strategies, based on industries, and based on megatrends. You can explore all of these options. For example, automation and robotics. Here you'll see which ETFs are available in this category and which stocks are available in this. So you can scroll and see which options or which stocks and ETFs are available within a specific topic. If you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, please write them down in the comments below. And remember, there are no stupid questions, so please don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. So let's go back and use the search option. Here we can simply search for any specific stock or ETF. Let's search for Google or its parent company Alphabet. Once I search for Alphabet, I get 3 options: Alphabet A, Alphabet CDR, and Alphabet C. Below that, we have the ISIN number. Once you select the specific stock, we can see the different details about it. For example, we have the key metrics, the total market cap, EPS, PE ratio, PB ratio, dividend yield, and 1-year beta. After that, we have the analytics ratings, then dividend per share if it is available. For Alphabet, there's going to be no dividend as they do not pay out any dividends. Then we have the financials. This includes revenue growth from previous year, total income, net income, profit margin. Then we have the company details, and after that we have the ISIN or the WKN number. These two are different identifiers to let you know exactly which stock or ETF you're going to buy. If you want to buy a specific stock, you can simply select the buy option. Here you can put in the amount, and if you don't have funds in your account, you can instruct deposit. For example, you can have instant payment, quick via money transfer, or convenient via debit card. I don't have any funds right now, as I mentioned earlier, so let's set up a savings plan. So let's say I want to set up a savings plan of 100 euros. Select that, click on continue. Now I have the option of the amount that I want to invest in, the frequency, which can be changed to monthly, every 2 months, quarterly, every 6 months, or annually. Then we have the option of execution, on which day should this savings plan be executed. It can be the first of the month, 4th, 7th, 10th, 13th, 16th, 19th, 22nd, and 25th. So I'm going to select the soonest option. Then we have inflation adjustment. If you set up a 2% annual inflation, this will automatically set up the next savings amount based on that. Then you have the payment option. You can select either cash or the deposit amount that you have set up. So to set up the deposit account, we can go back to home and select payments. Here we can select pay in or pay out. So pay in is the option of sending money into our Scalable Capital account. So we can use instant payment, quick via money transfer, or convenient via direct debit. So these are going to have different fees associated with it and different availability times. For example, the quick money transfer is going to take 1 to 2 days. The convenient transfer is going to take between 2 to 4 days. The instant payment, as the name says, will have instant funds available. Again, if you go back to the payments option and select payout, here we can select the amount of money that we want to withdraw money from the Scalable Capital account. At the moment, as I said, I have 0.03 euros available, so I can only withdraw this. Now, most people have a confusion on the amount that they have available in their portfolio. As I mentioned earlier, this 10,647 euros is the invested amount. So this amount is already invested in this different stocks and ETFs. As you can see here, I have 1,763 euros invested in the S&P 500 ETF, 1,100 euros in the Caterpillar stock, different amounts with various kinds of companies. If I want to withdraw a specific amount, then I'll have to sell either part or whole of my position. For example, if I select the S&P 500 ETF, then I can select sell and sell either a small portion, for example, sell 4 shares, or sell the whole position. Only when I have sold my position will I get the amount in terms of euros. So once this euro amount is in my account after selling, then and only then can I send the funds back into my reference bank account. After you have bought some stocks or ETFs, your portfolio will get populated and it will have the details just like this. Scalable Capital also has the option of buying cryptocurrencies, which I will not discuss in this video. If you scroll down, then you'll have the options of all of the transactions that are available. So once you select all, you'll have all of the details of the deposits, the distributions or dividend payouts from stocks or ETFs, or any statements or any documents that have been made available for you from Scalable Capital. These online brokers or new brokers are always changing and adding new features, changing the prices, adding new features. This video might not be up to date when you're watching it, so I'll link an article that I have made on Scalable Capital in the description below so that you're always up to date on what features and prices Scalable Capital has set up at this moment. Obviously, Scalable Capital isn't the only online broker available. In this video, I share details on Trade Republic. So thanks for watching. Blab Gizan, and I'll see you in this video.